Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am going to motivate you today to get a bunch of stuff done. We have to clean the house today. It's getting a little out of control. The first thing we have to do though is take the puppy for a walk because he's getting bored. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna have a nice walk, and then we're gonna clean the house because it is a little out of control. It's not so much messy, but there's definitely some places that need cleaning. Today we're gonna try to clean the oven. We're gonna see what happens with that. And but first we're gonna go for walkies. Sometimes I find I can only get a few things done in like certain categories. Like today, I was just going to clean the house and I wasn't going to worry about any administrative work because I feel like I can either do one or the other. Now, if I have to get things done, I definitely will try to fit everything in, but like I just like to focus on housework when it is housework day. I usually like to do this on Sundays, but today, I think when I was filming this, it was Monday, and oh, that's right, because I had church the previous day and I had my dress there that I wore for my church job, and I don't have any long hanging space in my regular bedroom closet, so I hang that in my office, which seems kind of appropriate because all of my dresses I usually just wear for singing gigs, and that's sort of where all my business takes place, in my office, so I kind of like having my dresses in there. Emptying the dishwasher is one of my least favorite things to do in the morning, but I love when it's all done and all organized and ready to go, and I can pack it again with the dirty dishes that were either in the sink from the night before or that were just kind of laying around. Sometimes after my husband eats dinner, he will eat more snacks and after he started the dishwasher, so it's a little bit aggravating for me because I'm like, oh my gosh, once the dishwasher starts, just maybe stop eating so many snacks and dirtying so many dishes. But you know, we do the things for the ones we love. We kind of put up with the little quirks and things like that, because living with someone and keeping your space organized, if they're not as meticulous as you, can be a little bit maddening. But I've got to tell you, you have to come together in a very compromised place. It's not going to be as perfect and as clean as you want it to be all the time. And you know what? After being married for 8 years, Eve's actually started to get really, really meticulous about some of the things that he's done around and the things that he cleans up, and he is actually like, it's your fault, you're influencing me. So I think that's really cute. So I decided today to tackle my oven, and I was taking the racks out to clean those. Those got really, really clean, but the oven, not so much. So this will probably be an ongoing series about how I'm going to deal with this oven. Okay, so I am like a little bit ashamed of this. Sorry, my vacuum is in the background, working real hard. But we have not cleaned our oven since we bought the house. It's not too bad, but it's kind of bad, like on the edges, and definitely the door could use some love. This is a AquaLift self-cleaning oven. Word on the street is that this AquaLift technology does not work. So we're gonna try it anyway. So I took out the racks, and we're gonna try it anyway. So, I mean, YOLO, and if it doesn't work, we'll just use some other cleaning method. Because I just need to do it. So here we go. Apparently I need to put like 2 cups of water down at the bottom here. That makes me nervous. And there's like gross stuff here. I don't know. I'm gonna scrape some stuff up first, and then we'll put the water in, and then we'll do the thing. Ew! Oh, it smells really bad. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, it's a good thing I'm doing this for. Oh! The smell. I cannot describe to you the disgustingness. This is just a damp towel. All right, damp towel first. Oh, smell. It's just like burnt, gross, disgusting. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed, guys. All right, a damp cloth is actually doing a really good job. So we'll do that first, and then we'll see what we can do with the AquaLift technology. You know what, honestly, a lot of this is coming up just with some water. I don't have anything cleansing on my paper towel or anything. So I think we can get it clean. It does still smell rank, but we'll see how good of a job I can do with just still some water. All right, here's my strat. We'll try the AquaLift, and maybe the steam from the AquaLift will lift a lot of this, and I won't have to like elbow grease it up. But it is coming up, but it's like really slow. So let's try and see what happens. I don't know. Okay, this is two. Let's see how much fits. Like, does 2 cups really fit, or just 1 cup? The website says 2 cups. Oh, okay. All right, 2 cups fits. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm sure the bottle will be really clean. Let's do this. It's really cramping my style right now, but it is cleaning up the plastic that fell off of this, because apparently they didn't get the plastic off when the oven was brand new. So that's fun. So we're gonna do AquaLift self-clean. 40 minutes. Remove racks. We did that. Wipe out loose soil. We did that. Pour 14 ounces water. 14 ounces. Oh, well, 2 cups is like 16. It's fine. Press start. Okay. I'm scared. Here we go. Start. All right. We'll see what happens. It's gonna get hot. Look at my slippers. Look at my old lady slippers. Easy. Actually, I just look right out of here. Look, old lady slippers. Now, these are like for like orthopedic slippers for like people with flat feet. 'Cause that's me. So here they are. You're so rude. Do you mind? All right, so I'm gonna do my best to try and get these clean. I don't know how to clean these, so I'm gonna look at a YouTube video. Maybe Melissa Maker can help me out. While I cleaned those racks, I watched my friend EJ on YouTube with their Animal Crossing hard mode video. I have been so into those lately. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a video game that I play on my other channel, and everyone is getting bored of playing like the regular way. And so somebody created hard mode, and it has revitalized the community totally. Everyone is like starting from scratch, having so much fun playing with all these restrictions, self-imposed restrictions. It seems like the dumbest thing in the world, but it has really made the game like fun again. And it just is a set of rules, and I'm like now totally obsessed. I have to play every day. I have to really like grind for, you know, things to get in the game. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, here's me just snaking the drains. Now, I hadn't done this in a long time, and this is probably out of all the chores in the house my least favorite. It's absolutely disgusting. One of the grossest things you can do in the house, but it really helped. We were having some problems with drain flies, and it smelled really bad. So I cleaned it out with some good old vinegar and baking soda. You know, good old vinegar and baking soda can really do the trick. I had to do it a couple of times, but it really cleaned out the bad smell and got rid of all of the nasty gunk that was in the drains and all that stuff. So I know that you can use Drano and all that stuff, but I prefer to sort of be gentle to my my drains just so I can take care of them a little longer. And this is me cleaning my bathroom across from my office. This one gets, of course, the most use by me. I do have a very large update planned for this bathroom. This wallpaper is the wallpaper that the previous owners installed, and while I find it quite cute, I do think that it's a little too much color for what else is going on in the bathroom, and the light fixture also needs some updating as well. So that'll be something I'm gonna be showing y'all a little later in the spring. But came back to the main bathroom and got the mopping done, and I love a good clean space. Okay, bathroom is clean. The linens are getting done. Everything has been wiped down and toilet done and everything. I just need to refill the toilet paper. I don't think we have any tissues, so that's gonna have to be empty. So, oh well. But I will refill the toilet paper. I always have 3 in there. With your dad. Having a private sleeping moment. Oh, you look so handsome. Yes, you do. Oh, you're so cute. Take a big nap. Take a big nap. I'll be in here in a minute. Oh, you didn't have to get up. I didn't mean for you to get up. I just wanted to, you just look so cute there. I just want to say hi. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? I think we got the house clean. We're good. All right, I think I did everything that was like the important stuff. Like we cleaned the kitchen, kitchen's clean. We didn't do any like really deep cleaning, but the oven was a pretty big job. I put the racks back in. I will figure out how to get the stuff off the door. I know there's something, this is a self-cleaning oven. I know there's some sort of coating on it. I don't know, but it does look much better than it did before. Right? Right, little buddy? And I have like never seen the racks that clean. It's kind of out of control. Waiting for the laundry to get done, and we'll be done with the cleaning. The vacuum has started again. So I hope this motivated you to get some housework done. I'm gonna play some games, relax, have some lunch, and I'll see you next time.